today I'm working on the wing. I'm gonna make some support brackets and work on the side. I'm gonna make some patterns to see if I like it on the side. Real simple patterns. Just gonna use some duct tape maybe to kind of get an idea of what it looks like and see if I like it or not. Just simple. This is just trying to get a picture of what it'll look like if I did something. I also don't want to look like I just put a piece of sheet metal there just to have a wing, call it a day. I don't like the idea of that either. Question is, what to do, what to do. What to do, what to do. What to do. Time to make some poster board cutouts. Quite honestly, I don't even know about this wing. This would be I spend more time on this wing than that window probably. And it was a far easier fabrication. Here we go, baby. This is go time. This is go time. Oh, I love that. I love me some of that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those sucks are right there. Ain't no doubt about that. Well, if we bend it a little bit, how we feel then? Don't like it as much. That being a little more angular for sure. Watch out. Watch out. Love it. Sometimes it takes me a while to visualize it, think about it, cut it up. That's why I do the poster board. That piece was for something else. I found it, put it up there, love it. Sometimes you just luck out and it's amazing. So now we're gonna tack this in to give this some more strength. Boom. Take care of that. Spectacular. Spectacular. Love it. Love it. Love it. I'm ready to tack that bad boy right there. Huh. Oh yeah, that's the ticket. That's the ticket. I'm gonna get the wife's opinion. Did a little something on the side too.
Yeah, I like that on the side.
That right there.
Yeah, that makes it look better than just straight out.
Well, it was also this big before.
Yeah, I like that. That looks a lot better than it did.
And then I'm gonna put fins here.
Like a shark?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, essentially.
Shark truck.
I like it now.
Yeah, it looks better with that.
Not too big, just kind of subtle.
You didn't want it to go out to here?
I did, but when I did it, it just didn't look right. I didn't like it. This is more a little subtle, and even once it's all done, it'll even be less subtle, more subtle, because it's all one color and stuff.
Find the lighting in here.
I need to see. There's some major production going in here, woman. I'm loving it now.
Yeah, it looks a lot better.
Especially the side profile.
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks yummy. Just made this piece here. This piece here. It looks phenomenal. In my opinion, of course. Since it's my truck and I'm doing all the work, that's the only opinion that matters.